Reminder: I am not a financial advisor. Please consult with a professional if in doubt or need more accurate information. Hello crypto enthusiasts, I'm Edo Kogima, your guide at Edo Crypto. Today, I am going to explain how to fill up the virtual currency statement for accurate recording of your transactions. I am going to explain the steps using Microsoft Excel, but you are very welcome to use a different spreadsheet application. I would suggest that you create a new blank spreadsheet document. Copy and paste a template using the virtual currency statement document provided by the National Tax Agency. You will find a link to that document in the description below. Then, you can change the column size to fit the page. I set it to 3, but it is up to you to set it as you wish. For this presentation, I use completely fictive numbers. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purpose only. In the template we just created, you will want to fill up the tax year, either in Japanese or European format. Then, fill up your name. Once prepared, you can right-click on the sheet name and move or copy like this. Then, you will need to rename the new sheet with the asset name. You will have to create a new tab or sheet for each of the assets you made a transaction from or to, plus another for the total transactions amount. In the new sheet, you should have already populated the current year and your name. You now need to fill up the asset name in capital letters, as shown here. Now, I am going to explain the different columns. Exchange site name, buy, sell, quantity, price, month, day, from, to, buy, sell, quantity, price, previous year end balance, year-end balance or carryover to next year, total fees, income amount. In the exchange site name, here, you want to put the exchange names where you bought the asset using fiat currency and the ones where you sold the asset to fiat currency. Then, in the second table, you need to put the transactions from and to the current asset. First is the month, then day, from, to, quantity and price for buying and selling transactions. For instance, there you use Japanese yen to buy 2 Bitcoin and it cost you 10 million for 100,000 yens. Next, you sold 1.75 Bitcoin to buy Ethereum for a total price of 15,925,000 yens. Then you sold Ethereum to receive 1.8 Bitcoin for a total price of 18,720,000 yens, and so on. For the fees or costs, it is considered a sell transaction, so you fill them up in the right part of the table. You will deduce them in the total fees box below. Let's continue to the third table. In A, you put the amount carried over from the previous year. In B, you put the value in yens of the amount carried over from the previous year. Each will show you the remaining amount of asset available following all the transactions. And I, the value of that amount. These will have to be filled into the A and B for the following year. In the fourth table, the last one, you will find the total fees that you have to fill up manually and the income amount of all the transactions listed. You will need that information to fill up the Form 01 income tax statement document. You have to fill up the information for each of your assets, where you had transactions or leftovers from the previous year. Each of the assets must have a specific tab or sheet. Once done, you have to create a sheet for the total transactions. In that sheet, you set the asset name to total. You fill the name of your assets, like this, in the fourth column. Then copy and paste the information from each of the sheets into that one, like this. To fill up Form 01 income tax document, you will need the total income amount here, and the total fees. The income amount from that page is not relevant and has to be calculated manually by adding each of the income amounts for each of the assets, like so. Thank you for watching. In the next content, I will explain how to fill up the Form 01 document. Thanks for joining us on this journey into crypto taxes in Japan. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto insights, and check our other videos. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Stay informed, stay curious, and happy investing. See you in the next one.